How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can uninstall the OpenRGB application. Basically, the first thing that you want to do is to delete all of your profiles on OpenRGB. So in my case, I have this blue customized profile that I have. So to reset it to the way it was, you can just click on the delete profile option, confirm it by clicking yes, and it will then reset the RGB settings of our setup. And just to make sure that all of the profiles or settings are deleted, you then want to head over to settings right here. Click on the open settings folder. This will open up the settings file for OpenRGB. And then basically you want to delete everything inside this specific folder. Now, technically we didn't install the OpenRGB application. We just got it as a RAR file, extract it, and here it was. So if you navigate through the add or remove programs folder, you won't be able to uninstall it directly, but what you can do is to delete all of your profiles and files onto this specific folder right here. So what you need to do is to highlight everything by pressing Ctrl A and then right click on it, click on the delete button, and you will be able to delete all of your preset that basically makes OpenRGB work. So after deleting this will then erase everything that it has to do with OpenRGB, and from there it will then reset your devices to the way it was. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.